Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah announced that 80 integrated farming clusters are being established in the state at the cost of Rs 32 crore. The Chief Minister also highlighted the state government's commitment to women's empowerment and rural economic development at an inaugural workshop on integrated farming clusters for northeastern states organized by Ministry of Rural Development Government of India in collaboration with TRLM held at Hotel Polo Tower on Thursday.
A workshop on integrated farming clusters for northeastern states organized by Ministry of Rural Development Government of India in collaboration with TRLM held at Hotel Polo Tower starting from Thursday, and it will remain till 30th of August for 3 days. The event was attended by notable figures including Rural Development Secretary Abhishek Singh, TRLM CEO Tarit Kandi Chakma, and Director of the Central Ministry of Rural Development Rajeshwari SM. During the event, 2 departmental booklets were unveiled. Dr. Saha emphasized the government's goal of making women self-reliant and creating an Atmanirbhar state. He stated that the government's main objective is to enrich the rural economy. The Chief Minister shared some key statistics, noting that 54.113 self-help groups have been formed under the Tripura Rural Livelihood Mission. These groups involve a total of 4.85 lakh women from across the state. Dr. Saha also announced that 80 integrated farming clusters are being established in the state at a cost of 32 crore.
I attended another program where from the northeastern regions, all the participants came, and again here I have seen from the northeastern regions, all the delegates have come. My greetings to all of you. It is a matter of pride for Tripura to host such an important national level event which carries with its promise of transforming rural livelihood in the Northeast. Agriculture remains the backbone of our country and its economy and the lifeline of rural household. In order to strengthen livelihoods, particularly for women's self-help group members, the integrated farming cluster approach has been conceptualized under the Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Rural Livelihood Mission by the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. I am happy to share that in Tripura, we have already launched activities for 80 integrated farming cluster, that is the IFCs, with an investment of Rs 32 crore, inaugurated at the Sampurnata Abhijan Samman Samaroho on 2nd August 2025. The objective of this integrated farming clusters is to diversify and intensify livelihood intervention so that rural households can increase their incomes through integration and synergy. Each IFC will cover around 250 to 300 small and marginal farmers, and they are linked with livelihood service centers and which provide quality seeds, natural fertilizers, equipment, aggregation facilities, and better market access. Every IFC will have dedicated support providers, that is Krishi Shokhis, then Poshu Shokhis, Matsya Shokhis, and community resource personnel, who will provide extension, training, and hand-holding support to farmers. Under the TRLM, we have built a robust foundation of women-led community institution. Today, there are about 4.85 lakh women members in 54,113 self-help groups, 2,470 village organizations, and 173 cluster-level federations. For strengthening their livelihood, 2,628 producer groups and 118 non-farm collectives have been developed, and we have supported with 1,677 crore bank loans and Rs 787 crore as revolving fund and community investment fund.
In a significant revelation, the Chief Minister proudly stated that 108,281 women in Tripura have become self-sufficient. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini Khorang.